To generate an attestation in Colibri, you select the student file you want to create an attestation for. Then you go on the attestation tab. From here, you're going to click on the button called Generate. Then you are going to select an attestation number, followed by the type of attestation you need to do, and then you need to fill the specific section. So if it's phase 1, you fill this one. If it's the complete attestation, you fill the section at the bottom. So I'm going to put my name. Then I select a date. You can add a signature online if you want. You can add a signature online if you want, or you can sign the print version. And then you identify if the attestation is success, fail, or incomplete. At the end, you have two options. You can click show to only save. At the end, you have two options. If you click show, the attestation will show on your screen so you can print it, but no copy will be saved on the student file. If you click generate, then you will have the print version ready for you to print. And once you go back on the student file, you will see under the File tab that there's a copy of the attestation that is saved on the student file. And you can click on the loop to view it if you need to go back to it at some point or delete it.